Hey guys, welcome to my YouTube channel Knowledge of Biology with Anjali Good. I hope you all are good. So today I am discussing with you what is the classification of chromatography. Before, very important to be understand what is a chromatography. So guys, chromatography is a purification technique to use separation and isolation of components in a mixture sample. Okay, they are divided into two main types. First is a solid phase and second is a stationary phase. Look at that, mobile phase and a stationary phase. So mobile phase and stationary phase in this technique, they are partition between the each other, they are interact to be each other, and then our mixture of components are separated. Okay, so mobile phase is always liquid and gas, not in a solid, and stationary phase is always solid and liquid, not in a gas. These are very important points of between two phases. Okay, so based on their mechanism classified by chromatography into separation method, four divided parts. First is absorption chromatography, second is partition chromatography, third is exclusion chromatography, and fourth is ion exchange chromatography. So firstly, I am discussing with you what is the absorption chromatography. Okay, so absorption chromatography, guys, in this technique we are used by as a solid material such as alumina, silica gel, or charcoal, use as a stationary phase to be separated components in a mixture solution. Okay, in their surface they are absorbed by different types of components we want to be separated. Okay, second is partition chromatography. So partition chromatography, in this technique two phases are partition between the each other, such as the solid phase and stationary phase, means liquid and solid material partition to each other and then they are separated. For example, guys, paper chromatography. So paper chromatography, in this technique we are use filter paper as a stationary phase and solvent as a mobile phase. So solvent move towards the filter paper, then our components are separated. Okay, third is exclusion chromatography. So exclusion chromatography, also known as size exclusion chromatography or gel filtration chromatography. This, in this technique, molecules are separated based on their size. Fourth is ion exchange chromatography. So ion exchange chromatography, it is also separation technique of chromatography, and they are separated net ion charges. Okay, basis on their net ion charges, components are separated. Okay, and next is mobile phase. So we know that mobile phase is always liquid and gas. So their first type is liquid chromatography. So guys, what is the liquid chromatography? So liquid chromatography, in this technique, mobile phase and stationary phase are both are interact to be each other. Both are interact to be each other. Then our components are separated. Okay. Second is gas chromatography. So in this technique, guys, very important because organic material as a volatile or semi volatile components are separated in these techniques. Okay, they are separated with help of the gas, through of a column they are passed out and then our components are separated. Okay, and next is stationary phase. Stationary phase is always solid or liquid. Okay, and so firstly is a solid chromatography. So solid chromatography, guys, in these techniques also components are separated between the interaction of the two phases, means stationary phase or mobile phase, both are interact to be each other and then our components are separated. Okay, so in this technique stationary phase are always in solid and mobile phase is either liquid or gases. Okay, and liquid chromatography, these are technique are also separated by different types of components and with help of the interaction between the two phases. Okay, and two phases means stationary and mobile phase is always in a liquid. Okay, I hope you understand. It is a basic classification of the chromatography and it is very important because without this classification any components are not separated. Okay, so I hope you understand. Take by screenshot and thank you so much.